Hello everyone, Shrey here. Today we have the 11th installment in this series of the 100 Days of Code challenge. And today, before we go on to the actual question, I do need to talk about my channel as a whole and this 100 Days challenge. As you can see, I haven't uploaded in a while. And this is mainly because of how busy I've been with school and the various clubs that I've in. And, that's going to be my main focus for this year because, 3 years left of high school, I need to really, really focus on that. But this doesn't mean I'm going to stop this series anytime soon. I'm going to upload as much as I can, and that'll probably be once every 2 weeks, maybe once every week. But it'll be in batches, I'll upload multiple videos in a day. So that's pretty cool. But but now let's just get right to the question that we have here. This question is fairly simple, and we did it in I think the 10th day of the 100 Days of Code, and it was the set.add function question. And so basically the question states that RuPaul has a huge collection of country stamps. She decided to count the total number of distinct country stamps in her collection, and she asked for your help. You pick the stamps one by one from a stack of n country stamps. Find the total number of distinct country stamps. Now the input format is as seen here. You enter the number of countries, and then you put in the countries. So the way I did this earlier was very simple, and it used the add operation and sets. And as you can see here, I just initialized an input, and this is the integer. Then I made an empty set. Then I said for I in range of 0 n, which is this integer, I would make an input, and that input would be added to set 1. And then I would just simply print the length of the set. And the reason this works is that sets are ready, automatically sort for duplicates. So this means that I really don't need to do anything regarding sorting the function like I did here. So that's what led to this set 1, and that's what led to me adding to the set again and again and again, making it much easier to do. Now in this now the reason why I'm doing this specific video, which is day number 11, the extension of set add, is because of the fact that I wanted to see if I could do it without using the sets. And well, obviously you can, and I did it in a pretty simple and elegant way. Or at least, I mean, it could really very probably be much faster, but it is what it is. Sorry, I'm just choking on a peanut there. But let's see. So first, we start off the same as before. We initialize an input, but this time I make 2 empty lists, and then I say for I in range of 0 to n, x is equal to input, so same thing here. And then I said if x is in scene, do nothing, else append to x. Then I would append it to x. Then I would append x to scene, and then I would print the 2, and this is just to show you how it works, and then I'd print the length of list. So if I go here, I can do 7, right? Then I can go France, and as you can see, both of them are there. Then I can go France again, and you would see that list has not changed, but there has been another added to scene. Then I could add the UK, then I could add the USA, then I could add London, my favorite country. Then I could add UK again, and you'll see UK did not get appended to list. Now I'll add Africa, my favorite country. Then, as you can see, what we get here is 5, which is accurate because there are 2 missing. So that's how the function works. Very easy, very simple. Did take some time to think about though, and overall, pretty cool. Anyways, thank you for listening.